Renters across Arizona will soon be saving some extra cash every month.
Anything will help right now. I'm a single dad, these are my little girls, so anything helps the pockets right now. I appreciate it.
The state is getting rid of the transaction privilege tax that's tacked on to your rent payments. And renters like Richard Estrada say the potential savings from this come at a crucial time when it seems like everything else is going up.
And man, everything's so expensive. Food and gas, and just to go do anything is almost like $100 a ticket,
This rental tax can range anywhere from 1 to 4% depending on where you live. So what this means for renters is that's anywhere from around $20 to even a couple $100 depending on how much you pay for rent and where you live. And this is going to be all money that stays right back in your pocket.
It can mean a tank of gas, it can mean food on the table.
Arizona Senate President Warren Peterson, who was a sponsor of this law, says this move is a key part in their efforts to fight inflation.
It's a horrible tax. It's terrible policy. Arizona was one of only 2 states in the entire country that charged this tax.
Not everyone is for removing this tax. The League of Arizona Cities and Towns reports that it will hit city and town budgets by about $230 million across the entire state. Releasing this statement, which reads in part, "Without state funding to make up for these losses, local governments will be forced to make tough decisions to balance their budgets, such as cutting jobs and services or raising local taxes, both unpopular choices." Peterson feels differently and says towns and cities are doing well across the state.
It's completely egregious that these cities continue to raise fees and raise rates. The cities should be finding ways to save their taxpayers' money.
For Estrada, he already knows how he'll spend his savings.
So you probably use that money for your daughters?
Yes, sir. Pizza night, girls? Yeah! There you go, a little pizza.
Yeah. Now, if you have any questions on how your rent will be impacted, you are urged to contact your landlord. The state says that you don't need to do anything and that they should be the ones to automatically remove that from your rent, and the state will be investigating the landlords that don't.